Good afternoon. My name is Vladimir Busel. I'm sales manager at Vos Motors, Yamaha, Suzuki, Aprilia. We just got through email requiring two bikes. Both bikes available. I'm making this video specifically for you. 2016 Aprilia RSV4 RR with 12,000 K. In perfect shape, got aftermarket exhaust, bike never been down, like very clean machine. We got to actually a really nice selection of Aprilias. This one is particular bike, and now I'm gonna walk you down to also to BMW. We got like a couple of used BMWs, S1000 RRs. So you ask about this one, 3342 stock number. Bike still available, same story, bike very clean, never been down. Was traded, if I'm not mistaken, for big cruiser. My name is Vladimir Busel, phone number 416-558-0307. You can call me anytime or just email me back. And we also provide financing, of course. Rates, it's all going to be depend on your credit. Again, call me 416-558-0307. I'll be glad to help you with all answers, okay? Thank you. Bye.